In this tutorial video, I am going to show you how to connect GrooveSell to your Review Trust account. First, log into your Review Trust account. In the sidebar, click on the Account Settings. Scroll down to the Shopping Cart section. Click the Add New Account button. In the form displayed, enter the account name. In the Vendor drop-down, choose GrooveSell and click Save. After the account is saved, an API URL will be generated. Copy the URL. Now log into your Groove account. In the dashboard, click on GrooveSell. In the GrooveSell sidebar, click on Product Funnels. Click on the product funnel. Click on Manage Product. Click on Edit Product. On the top bar, click on Fulfillment. These are the product pricing. Click on the Webhook tab. Choose the product pricing you wish to connect to Review Trust. Click on the Add New Webhook URL. Paste the API URL you copied from Review Trust and click Save. Now go back to Review Trust to create the product campaign. On Sidebar, click on Campaign. Click Create Campaign. Choose Product Campaign. Fill up the new product campaign form. In the Shopping Cart drop-down, choose GrooveSell. In the Shopping Cart account drop-down, choose the account you recently created. Continue filling up the form and save. Now you need to create a product on this campaign and connect it to the GrooveSell product. Enter the product name. Go back to the GrooveSell page and look for the product ID. You can find the product ID in the URL. It should be the second set of numbers in the URL. Copy the numbers. Go back to your Review Trust and paste the numbers in the item number field. Click Submit, and you are done. Thank you for watching.